and I have some chickens that are just starting to lay eggs. And I got these 2 little tiny eggs, so I thought we would try to cook one of or both of them. Put on the stove and put it on medium heat. And here's the little babyest egg right here. Little baby egg. And then we crack it open. Ew. And we hope, like nobody's business, that there's something in there. Did it all come out? Maybe. There it is. That's what came out of that egg. And then,
Can you get me some Pam?
I like the gray crab, so here we go.
That's it?
What?
Oh my gosh.
Not enough. It's one little baby egg. And there it goes, the one little baby egg. Look at a lot of white there. Not much yolk though. Should I crack the other one too? What do you think? Here's the other one, a little bit bigger. Ew. That one kind of exploded funny. That's weird looking. Do I want to cook that one? It looks kind of weird. I might not cook this one. Cooking, it just looks too strange.
All right then.
I think.
Look at that egg.
Little baby eggy.
You need bacon from a little miniature pig now. Go with it.
Bacon from a moment. Alright. We don't have any miniature pigs, so we'll turn it into a, what do you call it? I can't flip this. Little baby egg with huge, enormous thingy. Spatula. It doesn't want to flip. There you go, little baby. Aww. Okay. Doesn't want to move, does it? Make sure it stays non-sticky.
It's a hearty breakfast for a very small farmer.
What do you think?
I think that's a small egg, and it's in our smallest frying pan.
It is. Excuse me. Do you think it's done? Looks like it could be done. Ah. There it is.
Oh my.
Little baby egg. Turn off the stove. Little sprinkling of salt. And then
Great way to ruin an egg as far as I'm concerned, but okay.
what? Should I eat it?
Well, you just seasoned it, so yes.
Let's see. You think it's ready?
Go ahead.
Yeah, it's okay. Mmm. Too much salt. There, all
What's the
good.
verdict? We just need a whole flock of these little guys?
Yeah, little. No.
You're not little guys.
No, I like the bigger one.
Little cow.
better.
Okay.
Thank you. Bye.